Here are 3 Montessori toys that will actually develop your baby's brain that you should try. First, we have a Montessori block stacking toy. This one surprised me because at first my 13-month-old had no idea what to do. However, after guiding her, it was so amazing to see her actually learn and use her brain to figure out how the game worked, something screen time could never do. Next, we have this Montessori busy book. This farm-themed book is perfect for keeping your little one engaged, learning about shapes, numbers, colors, farm animals, fruits, and more, and is also a great tool that parents can use to interact with their little ones. Lastly, we have the Montessori fishing game. This one is my absolute favorite. It took only a few minutes of showing her how the game worked, and then she was fishing all on her own. I love how it comes with cups where your baby can sort the fishes, but also the cups double as stacking cups as well as sand toys. Click the link in my bio if you want to find the Amazon links to these toys as well as all my other favorites.